Hi everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with an informational video. There are a lot of things going on. So first, we have a auction for charity that we're doing. Actually, it's going to be a continuous auction. Me and Crystal and Chantel are going to be giving away some of our mini albums and stuff that we've made throughout the years, and it may grow bigger between, after that. But if you're interested in crafting items for sale for cheap, what I call cheap, or at least it is right now, head on over to the ASC Auction House, and I'll have the link below. It is a Facebook group, but the payments are made via PayPal or however the people who are auctioning do it. And right now it's just one item at a time, so that that item can have a lot of focus. So this is my item, and right now it's going for $20. So it's just a little 4x6 mini album. And the cool thing about the ASC Auction House is that all the proceeds, less shipping, go to a charity of the auctioneer's choice. So my auction choice is the Great Peers and Rescue. So it's a rescue for Great Pyrenees, and it's a Facebook group. And then once I get so much money from my auctions, I will donate all the proceeds to them, and then maybe we'll pick a different charity after that. But everybody has their own favorite charities. But just know that if you want a mini album, or whatever the craft is at that point in time, it's a good cause. So this is my first item that I'm auctioning, and Crystal's had a couple auctions also, but there's not a lot of traffic, so get there while you can. So that information will be linked below. And then the second thing that I have to tell you is that yesterday I launched my website, and it is for kits. I recently got a Glowforge, and I am making kits for everybody to be able to create some of the things that I create and not have to buy expensive machines to do the cutting, not have to kill your hand by trying to cut through chipboard with an X-Acto knife. So this is my first kit, and mymakerscreations.com is my new Shopify website. So if you want to head on over there, if you're interested in that, it's the only thing that's up so far. I have some room boxes and stuff that'll be up pretty soon, but I'm still designing those. So everything on that website is designed by me and cut here at my house on my Glowforge laser. Whew. Okay, lastly, what everybody's come for, I'm sure, is my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So about a month ago I hit my 3,000 subscribers, and things have just been crazy. I haven't been able to put the video up yet. So everybody who has been a subscriber knows that I am a design team member for ASC Supplies on Etsy, or ASCcraftsupplies.com, and we've been together for 3 years, and hopefully what I do helps them be successful, and what they do helps me be successful. So I just thought it appropriate to do a $50 gift card for Etsy for the ASC Supplies shop. In order to get that gift card, I'll randomly pick one of my subscribers. You must be a subscriber, from the comments below. Please comment what is your favorite project I've ever done. I've been on YouTube for 6 years or something like that. Lots of videos to choose from. Just scroll back, pick one, and yeah, I'll randomly generate or use the random name picker generator thing on September 5th. So at some point on September 5th, so try and get your comment in before then. That gives us 2 weeks. You must be 18 years or older and follow all the YouTube guidelines and stuff. So if you have any questions, yeah, let me know. And like I said, you must pick a favorite project of mine in the comments down below, and you must be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, Scrapping Posh, to be eligible for your $50 gift card for the ASC supplies on Etsy shop. Okay, I think that's it. Stay tuned for more projects. We have some really cool stuff coming. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.